whatever. An investment analyst is forming a portfolio of 7 stocks, and as per investment mandate, she is supposed to select those stocks out of a pool of 12 stocks. So selection will be there out of a pool of 12 stocks. She has decided to select stocks based on historical return and rank them, very very important, rank them to assign weights accordingly. That is, stock with the highest return is included and assigned a rank of 1 and so on. Calculate different ways in which stock can be created. Since there are, first question is how many groups are there. The main important group is 12, out of which we carve out only one group, that is 7. So automatically the division of this has been in 2. That is, one is 7 that will be selected, and the other automatically is the balance 5 that will not be selected. So when there is formation of 2, either we can use permutation or we can use combination. Now when to use permutation and when to use combination, it's very simple. If ranking and order is not important, then it will be a combination. But if ranking and order of placement is important, then it will be a permutation. Here it has specifically been mentioned that the stock with the highest return will be assigned a rank of 1 and will be given a higher weightage, followed by stock 2. So there will be ranking. That means placement is very very important and plays a crucial role. That means we will have to apply formula of permutation. What will be the formula of permutation? So very straightforward, 12p7, and that you can use your calculator to get answer of. Just press 12 second minus button and then a 7 equal to 3991680. So A is the correct answer. If this line is eliminated, just to bit extrapolate this entire story, if this line is eliminated, this word is eliminated from this entire question, then the entire story turns to 12c7, or this question would have ended over here. This part is eliminated, it would have ended over here. It will be a question of 12c7, and then your outcome would have changed to 12 second plus sign 7, which is equals to only 792, which is my option C. So just to confuse you, in case student doesn't understand the concept of permutation and applies combination instead, then institute definitely will give a combination option as well, so that you commit the mistake which you are supposed to. Okay, but be clear that how it works. It's very simple. If there are more than 2 groups, then labeling is applied and there is no question of permu or combo. If there is 2 groups, then you have to just ask one question: is order or ranking important? If it is not important or question doesn't seem to focus on that, then it's a combination situation, else it's a permutation situation. Okay, and multiplication rule of counting is already what we have done above. So it's like multiplication factorial base. So